I want to ask a question to the world today. Is this world is for the human or the monster? This world has become the monster's world, no more with the human. Children of Gaza, children of Palestine, and the human of Palestine, they are being killed by the monsters. And the world is now silent. Total world is silent. I want to urge upon those people, those who all has got heart, real heart, please do not keep silent. Your silence is equivalent to a bullet. Your silence is equivalent to a bomb against those people, those who are living in the Palestine and the Gaza. Please raise your voice. This is how this cannot continue. There is no religion other than the humanity. Please practice your religion, no problem. Wherever you are, whatever the faith you have, please do practice. We have no problem whatsoever. But no atrocity, no violence against the humanity. Humanity has to be upheld wherever it is. Either it is Gaza, or it is in Palestine, or it is in Maharashtra, or it is in Myanmar or the Rohingyas, or it is in Syria, or it is in Ukraine. Please raise your voice. This cannot continue. This must be stopped. It must be stopped, and it must be stopped. Thank you to Amjanatar Dal for giving me opportunity to give my speech. Thank you.
ধন্যবাদ।